to abide, to dwell in God's love. It's not about passive remaining, but it is active remaining. It is about active dwelling in God's love, following His commandments, following the Beatitudes, and practicing the works of mercy. And we have to do it joyfully. My friends, there was a priest who was appointed bishop in one particular place. And this priest wanted to share this beautiful news with his father. And he goes home to share this beautiful news about his appointment, that he was elected as a bishop. And his father is a very humble person. He has worked all his life. He doesn't have university degrees, but he was a man of wisdom. And when this priest comes home to share this beautiful news, and after sharing, the father tells him, obey and share the joy. Obey and share the joy. And likewise, we need to obey the word of God. Obey the commandments, the 10 commandments. I know it's a very long list, but we ought to obey the commandments, follow the Beatitudes, and practice the works of mercy joyfully.